Today's snow day, guys. It's very cold outside. I got my boots. Are you ready, guys? And let's go! Woo! Gotta find plenty of HotWheels. Let's go. Wow! Toyota.
Wow! What is that?
I don't know what it is.
It's
Porsche. Camaro.
What is that?
Dodge. Where?
Wow! Matchbox Playset!
Wow!
Okay.
Have fun.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh no! No! Don't do to me, please! No!
Oh my god, that's a horn!
It's a hard snowball. Can I see it?
Wow!
What is that shape, Albert?
Horn. No, no, no.
Oh no! It's windy, Albert. Let's go inside.
Yes, let's go. Unboxing because it's cold outside. This is my favorite car. One, two, three, four, five, six.
Yes!
Okay, let's open unboxing. I like this car. Yeah. He got Sonic wheels.
Awesome!
Look, watch.
Great! Wow!
Ooh, I know.
Oh my gosh!
Where
you open it, Albert? Yes, you can!
A tractor. Look, it's gonna dig. Look. Open this garage. How about this side, Nana?
Wow, Albert! Very nice construction site!
Look.
Wow, look at this, Albert! Look at the crane!
Then another brush. Boom. Got two brushes.
Two construction sites.
Two. This one's small, this one's big.
Yeah.
So what? Hello? No, you cannot go to the construction sites because he said it's dangerous here. Bye, don't forget to subscribe.